Hello foodies, welcome back to our channel. Today we are going to make this tantalizing recipe, Hydrabadi Paneer. Hyderabad, known for its rich culinary heritage, brings us this aromatic delight infused with the freshness of mint leaves, a perfect combination for the scorching summer days. So let's get started. First up, grab some homemade curd, about half cup. Now we will add half teaspoon of biryani masala, half teaspoon of homemade red chili powder. If not available, you can also add the store-bought ones. We have also added half tablespoon of sugar. Now we will mix them together so that everything is beautifully combined. And now we are going to add half tablespoon of oil to the mix and then again mix to combine everything. Now let's whip up our fragrant mint paste. Into a blender jar goes half cup of fresh mint and coriander leaves, a green chili and a couple of ginger cubes. We are not going to blend them now, but we are going to go to the kitchen, heat a pan and add 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil. Add a green chili for that extra kick and toss in 1 medium sized diced onion and 7 to 8 cubes of garlic. Fry them nicely till they become aromatic and the onions become translucent. Once cooled, we are going to add this onion, garlic and green chili to our blender jar and make a smooth paste. No need to add any water here. Our smooth glossy green paste is ready. Now back to the pan, we are heating up more oil. While that sizzles away, let's prepare our paneer. Gently pierce those cubes with a fork. Then, after you have pierced all the cubes, gently fry them up. Here's a secret. A quick dip in lukewarm water with a sprinkle of salt keeps these cubes soft and oh so delicious. Now back to our pan. In the remaining oil, drop in a bay leaf, couple of green cardamoms, a cinnamon stick and a dry red chili. Let those spices work their magic until they are beautifully fragrant. Now in goes our minty paste, sizzling away until it's golden and glossy. See, now the oil has separated from the mixture. So here we are adding our curd mixture that we have prepared earlier. We will add it now and mix everything well. Remember to keep your wok or kadhai on high flame while mixing this whole minty paste and this curd mixture, everything. Now when you can see big bubbles in your pan, you are going to add a bit of turmeric powder. And again mix. You can add a splash of water if you feel that your gravy has become too dry. Also check the seasoning. If you need, then add salt and sugar accordingly. Keep stirring so that the mixture doesn't become too dry and also it doesn't stick to the bottom of the pan since our wok is on high heat now. Right. Now we will put the lid on and wait for 5 minutes. Open the lid and again we will find that oil has separated from the gravy. Now it's time to reunite our paneer with the party. Toss those cubes in, and if it's looking a bit dry, again you can add a splash of water here as well. Now we are at almost at the end of making this delicious recipe. We are going to add two more ingredients and it will be done. To finish it off, we will sprinkle 1/4 teaspoon of garam masala powder and a dollop of ghee for that final burst of flavor. And there you have it. Our spicy, aromatic Hydrabadi Paneer is ready to steal the spotlight at your next mealtime extravaganza. You can pair it with basanti pulao like we have done here, soft ghee rotis or crispy puris. So, what are you waiting for? Give this recipe a try and let us know how it turns out in the comments below. And don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more mouth-watering recipes. Until next time, happy cooking!